Nelson with WordPress Practicum at BYU, Idaho, as a senior in web design and development with an emphasis in design and minor in development. All right, so this is my first attempt at WordPress. This is my first time. So here's the welcome page. It's supposed to all be about my wonderful English bulldog, Tank. And then we're supposed to have a blog post, which I made it where it would look pretty. I just never got around to doing much with it, mostly because I've been stressed out, and yeah. But I am happy that I kind of got a feel of what it does, how it does it, and all that. So there's a lot of room for improvement. Here's my About Me. Again, lots of room for improvement. This would be a little search bar. This would be a place where you could send a message. So lots of room for improvement. Picture would obviously go there. I do like the layout. I like what it looks like. I learned a ton this semester. We can go over here. This is technically my cart, but this is the only way I know how to get to my shop because something went wrong during that. I do have 3 things that you could buy. Again, I didn't put a whole lot on here. I was just learning and how to do this and what it took. And there's a lot to it, and yeah, I'm definitely learning and I'm growing, and I learned a ton this semester. I'm hoping that I can continue to carry that onward and use this in my benefit and learn more and do more with WordPress in the future. So that was a quick overview of my site, the Musings of Tank. Let me know if you guys have questions. Thanks.